And it was 71 degrees yesterday. Welcome to fucking Colorado. Missed it earlier, it was a blizzard. Literally. 13-mile-an-hour sideways winds. I'm about to go for a ride on that little guy. Not the big guy, but the little guy. Right there. It's actually a black bike. That's just all the snow sticking to it. So if I can get it to kick over in this weather, which I think it will do pretty good. So if I can get it to kick over and warm up in this weather, I'm going to take that for a ride. I'm going to go up to the grocery store. And considering how many cars are stuck and everything, I think we've got a much better chance of me getting there on the dirt bike. Look at that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 cars stuck. Our road's becoming a parking lot.